What are you doing, Daisy? Look, you got a little Scrabble board right there. What are you doing with that, huh? Oh no.
With a surprise. Joan Cusack in the 2-hour SVU premiere. Tomorrow, 9/8 Central on NBC.
Got your foot. It's got your foot. Are you gonna get it? Are you gonna get it? You better get it. You better get it. It's gonna get your foot. It's eating your foot. Oh no. Get it. Get it, Daisy. Get it. Get it. Get it. Why aren't you playing anymore? Yeah, there you go. You want me to hold it forever? Ouch. Meow.